It's so painful what we see in Gaza. It hurts me all my body. And let me be clear, it's not about ideology. It's not about I'm right and you're wrong. Come on. It's just about the love of life, about the care of your neighbor. Maybe we think that we see the boys and girls of 4 years old being killed for a bomb, or being killed at the hospital because it's not hospital anymore. It's not our business. Yeah, fine. We can think about that. It's not our business. But be careful. The next one will be ours. The next 4, 5 years old kids will be ours. Sorry, but I see my kids, Maria, Marius and Valentina, when I see every morning since the nightmare started the infants in Gaza. And I'm so full, scared.